Howdy friends, this is Mike, and today I've got the Tacoma and we're here at Silver State Off-Road in Sparks, Nevada. I've got a bunch of suspension parts, I've got a bunch of tires and wheels, and some SPC upper control arms, and these guys are going to mount it up for me. I'm going to shoot some video. Hopefully we'll learn something, and they have an air conditioner in there, guys. It is going to be 105 degrees here today. Couldn't be happier that I'm not doing this in my driveway. Okay, stay with us. Before we built this, I wanted to sort of get a sense of how much it weighed, how much it was going to weigh. So, what do you think it weighs, Lance? Right now, as it sits?
5480.
5480.
4400.
44. Okay, you went down. What do you think?
Let's see. 4280.
4280. The actual weight from the cat scale with me and my 6-year-old in it was 5,300 pounds. Right? So, bare truck with subtracting our weight, it's about 5,070 pounds. So, the GVWR is 56. So, the goal here is to keep it under that. I don't think it's gonna though, but we'll see. So, that'll be the next guess, is what's it gonna weigh after we're done. All right, well, I could not be happier with how this whole lift experience turned out for the Tacoma here. As you can see, it doesn't have a crazy amount of lift. It's got just enough for the 33-inch tires to fit, and I couldn't be happier with how the suspension performs. I'll talk more about that maybe in some other videos. I got one in particular where we're going to talk a little bit more about that. But then for the most part, we're just going to do cool things and see cool footage of us doing cool things all over Nevada and the Southwest in general. I was really happy with Lance and Mitch at Silver State Off-Road. I think they did a great job installing this, as you can see. So the video that you just watched is not meant to be an exhaustive step-by-step tutorial on how to put in a suspension, just sort of a guideline of what you can expect if you're going to install one of these on your own. If you do try to do your own upper control arms, particularly the SPC upper control arms, there's a detailed instructions in the manual for how to do that. You're going to want to drive it straight to an alignment shop because it's going to be pretty messed up unless you get out the tape measure and the level and the plumb bob and you do a full alignment in your driveway. If you have any questions or comments about this build, post those in the comments down below and we'll get to those as they come up. If you want to see what we do with this truck, definitely subscribe to the channel because cool things are coming. Thanks for watching and happy trails. Bye-bye.